This is the AM/PM exclusive.
Super producer A1.
Nephew Money. I just wanna be a kid.
When I grow up,
Yeah.
when I grow up, when I grow up, when I grow up,
Yup.
when I grow up,
Yeah.
Just
when I grow up, I can be anything I want.
I can be the mayor, even the president. You mean I can live where my school take the class trip? I can be a rapper. I could be an astronaut. Party on the playground. Guess that's why I laugh a lot. I'm young. I'm fresh. You late. I'm next. I'm bold. Go down. Two-toe. Oh yes, it's me. It's Nephew Money. Dummy, don't confuse me with the mother nappy headed kid. Cause I'm thinking about my future.
When I grow up, 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 I can be anything I want. When I grow up, when I grow up, when I grow up,
Yeah.
when I grow up, when I grow up, when I grow up,
Just
when I grow up, I can be anything I want.
I can be a doctor, I can be a scientist. I know what you're thinking. What if I tear all that around? I love that winter snow. Play football in the fall. Spring, get that birthday money. Summer, I spend it all. I'm just a regular kid, yo. I be in the yard. Oh yeah, I did a few videos, but I did work hard. I ain't gotta pick a job right now. So for now, you can catch me in the playground on the monkey bar.